Welcome to my channel. So I've been learning some really cool AI tools, and I figured why not start, teaching other people. There are a lot of AI tools out there that are free, and if you know how to use them, you will always have them available to use, if you get what I mean. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Grok AI. As we all know, we are in the season or in the times of AI, and we have to be accustomed to it. We have to be aware. We have to use this apps. So first, you want to download Grok, Grok, onto your phone through your App Store or Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open the app and log in. You can log in with either your Twitter account, that's X, or your Google account. So once that is done, you are onto the interface of Grok AI. So depending on what you want to do, today I want to just show you how to animate. So there's a part where you can ask questions, type what you want Grok to do, and you can also animate pictures or animate your text to video. So which is what I'm showing you today. So now that your Grok AI is open, click on, if you want to animate a picture, click on the picture and add the picture you want to animate. Usually when I do this, I don't put any prompt. I just want Grok to give me their first offering. Let me see what they can do with the picture before. So when I see that, I now decide if I still want to use a prompt or if that works. So you wait for the download to be complete. Now when it is complete, you click on the download sign and it saves to your phone. If you want to put your prompt, you can still put your prompt, and then you click enter and then it generates. So we wait for a few seconds for it to generate. You see the percentage, the progress so far. Once it hits 100, your video is ready. So you play the video, you see what Grok has given you. If it works, then you can go ahead to upscale if you want to upscale. Upscaling is turning the video that Grok has given you into HD. If you are not okay with what Grok has given you, you also click that part and click on redo, and then Grok will regenerate. So I hope with this you are able to animate your videos easily now. Also note that Grok's AI videos are 6 seconds, so just bear that in mind, and it will help you be able to create what you want to create. I hope you will be able to do this on your own. Tell me how it went.